how to fix Facebook page not found in search. So if you want to fix your Facebook page not found in your search, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After that, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right. Now from your profile, you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of default audience settings. You need to tap on it and then you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply tap on public and go with next, which will be in the bottom. Again, go with confirm and now tap on done. After that, go back to your settings and then scroll down a bit and you will find an option of followers and public content. Tap on that option. Here you need to make sure that you've selected public in each one of these. Go and select public, tap on save, and then again go with public, save. Do that for all of the options right here. Once done, you can go back and that's it. Just remove this Facebook and just wait for a few seconds, like for about a day, and then your problem will be fixed. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.